Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be talking about the patch tool. Now the patch tool is again one of the most useful tools in Adobe Photoshop to remove any unwanted items or unwanted objects from your image, right? So I have this image opened up right here, which has got this rough scratch texture and it's got some engravings on them. Right. So for example, I want to remove these engravings. Right. So another way to remove all these engravings is by using the patch tool. So as you can see that I have already selected the patch tool, but you can go ahead and select the patch tool from here. Right. So it has an icon of this rectangle which has lines all around the four sides, and you can see that it has the word patch tool right in front of it, right? So you select that so you select this tool. Okay, so now what you have to do is that you have to just make a selection around this engraving like this. Okay, so after that this gets selected, right? And then you just move this selection upwards like this, where it has this texture. And as you can see, as I move the texture around, the texture with the inside this selection also gets moved. So this looks okay because I want my selection to have the same kind of texture, so I'll just let go. And once that happens, you can see that the selection, the engraving has been removed, and I just click on Ctrl plus D to deselect. And as you can see that the engraving has been removed very smoothly. Now similarly, you make a selection of this other engraving right over here, and I just move this upwards a little bit like that to get a similar kind of a texture like this, and I click on Ctrl plus D to deselect, and there you go. And as you can see that the engravings have been removed, and it was very easy to use the patch tool to remove such kinds of engravings or objects, right? So it can be a little challenging to work with such textured backgrounds. As you can see, it's not entirely smooth, but you can still make out that something was removed, but it's not that smooth. I mean, the patch tool works best if your background color is of a solid color, right? But it does a pretty good job with the textured background as well, right? So this was the patch tool. And now that we've come to the end of our video, I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.